Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by prepping the camera, clean that lens, dirt kills clarity. Once done, remove any case that shades the lens and set the grid to frame precisely. Next, enable Pro RAW and Smart HDR in settings so the sensor captures maximum detail and dynamic range. This is why you'll recover highlights and shadows later. Finally, stabilize the phone with a tripod or steady surface. Sharpness starts with zero motion. These first actions set the foundation for every improvement you'll make next. Now take control of the capture. Tap the subject to set focus and hold to lock AE/AF. This prevents the camera from rethinking exposure mid-shot. Then drag the exposure slider, lower it to protect highlights in bright scenes, and raise it carefully in low light. The sensor's range matters. Choose the native lens whenever possible, 0, 5, 1x, or 2x, because digital zoom degrades quality. Finally, shoot in Pro RAW so you retain data for editing. That's how detail and color survive. Finish by processing the Pro RAW file. Use Photos or Lightroom to make measured adjustments to exposure, white balance, and sharpening. Subtlety preserves detail. Export at full resolution and choose high-quality JPEG or TIFF if needed. Avoid aggressive noise reduction that blurs texture. If results look soft or noisy, troubleshoot. Reclean the lens, add more light, switch to a tripod, and restart the camera app. If needed, reboot the phone. These final steps lock in quality and solve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.